Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I am at a dog park, all safe, and yeah, there are no dogs here, other than my dogs. I have gloves on, so yeah, all my dogs are being so boring. I can't, okay, let's follow him. Go through the hoop. Go through the hoop. Let's go. I'm gonna chase you. I'm gonna chase you. I'm gonna chase you. I'm gonna chase you. No, don't sniff that. Don't. No, no, no. No, no, no. That's a gross bag. Oh. That's a gross bag. Don't sniff it. Don't sniff it. No! He's sniffing the doggy bag. Pooch, no. Oh. Yes. Okay. I'll let you be a doggy. Let's see what Ella's up to. Let's see what Ella's up to. Ella! Ella's over here. And she just had a drink of water. Well, he's just resting, so let's see Pooch. I like going on this thing. Pooch, don't sniff it. You baby. You want some water? Here. I don't think he's interested. Let's just chase him around. Oh, look. Very careful, Pooch. Oh, look. Okay, let's run some more and see what Ella's up to. Hi, baby girl. Hi. Hi, Poochie bye. This is such a workout following them around. They're not interested in anything but the weirdest things. Just follow you around. What are you sniffing for? What are you sniffing for? Don't lick the ground. Hey. Poochie. Oh, I love you, baby. Go over the bar. Oh. No, don't sniff that. No, 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 no. Ah! Okay, let's see. Let's play tag, Pooch. After you do that. Okay. been chasing me. I think I'm gonna get him some water. You don't want any? Oh, I guess not. Look at your Poochie. Look at him. This video isn't all about Pooch. It's also about Ellie. Look at my Ellie. Look at my Ellie. Look at my Ellie. Oh, look at your pretty little Ellie with her bow. I love her. I love her a lot. Oh, little Pooch, you want to be in everything. Okay, they were way more boring than I thought they would be. I guess they just don't want to be famous. So, yeah. This is a little quick video because why not? And please stay safe outdoors. I'm wearing my gloves, my mask. I have glasses, which is basically like a eye protection, and there's nobody else in this dog park, so yeah. See you guys on my next video. Bye!